Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, November 19th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. But also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on the Euro Dollar monthly, I still think that we are likely in a correction to this last move up, so we're definitely going to watch these Fibonacci levels. I think there's a good chance it's probably going to end up looking something like this on the monthly. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. So on the weekly time frame, like I've been saying, I think this is either a 3-3-3 pattern, which would likely end up looking something like this, for 3 waves down, 3 waves up, 3 waves down, or possibly this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave pattern for a 3-3-5 pattern. Either way, the trend is definitely still down on these higher time frames. Going down to the daily, we definitely had a pretty strong push up, as you can see, but there's no break of structure, there's no higher low, there's not even a Fibonacci bounce, so the trend is definitely down on the daily time frame. Taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, we really don't even have a break of structure on the 4 hour yet. We do have some higher lows in, but higher lows doesn't really mean that the trend is over. This still could end up just being a correction to the last wave down, and it still could just end up bouncing off a Fibonacci level and continuing the downtrend. So let's take it all the way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, like I said, we got our Fibonacci retracement on the last impulsive move down. This move up we're currently in definitely could only be a correction to this last wave down. So we definitely got to keep an eye on our Fibonacci levels very, very closely. A lot of the other dollar pairs have already broken structure, so there probably is a pretty good chance that it is going to at least try to go up one more time. But if we do get like a Fibonacci bounce and a golfing move down with like a break of structure to the downside, I definitely would continue to look for shorts for the continuation of this downtrend. If it does decide to go up and break this swing right here, break this structure, then I would definitely turn into a buyer at the end of pullbacks after the structure break. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.